Backlinks are one of the two key pillars of your website search success. To achieve better rankings, it's crucial to build a strong backlink profile for your website. Hi, it's Mary from SEO Power Suite, the all-in-one toolkit that covers every aspect of SEO. If you want to know how to find competitors' backlinks and what tools to use, watch this video till the end to get a step-by-step plan. When it comes to finding competitors' backlinks, we usually start with analyzing our competition. This helps us understand the backlink profiles of our competitors and check their backlink providers. This data will help us spot valuable backlink opportunities, build our own effective link strategy, and estimate the time and effort required to build a strong backlink profile. To get this job done, we will need just one tool, SEO SpyGlass by SEO Power Suite, which is specifically designed for backlink profile analysis and competition investigation. Here's what you should do to spot competitors' backlinks.
Open SEO SpyGlass and create a project for your website. Hold on a second till the tool thoroughly scans your site and prepares the data. Then, go to the domain comparison module. Enter the competitors whose backlinks you'd like to check. Go to the Link Intersection submodule. In the drop-down menu, select the Prospective Domain option to spot domains that link to several competitors of yours but not to your site. In other words, identify the backlink gap. Sort the domains by domain in-link rank to find the best backlink options for your website. This way, link gap analysis helps you discover valuable link-building opportunities. Domains that link to several of your competitors are likely relevant resources where you have a good chance of obtaining a link. To focus on a competitor's backlinks in more detail, go to Historical Data, Backlinks, and enter the domain you want to check. Switch to the Lost Links tab to see the backlinks your competitors has lost recently. You can then study backlink providers' pages and ask their site owners to replace the competitors' lost links with your working ones.
That's it. This is how you can easily spot your competitors' backlinks and leverage them to improve your own website search rankings. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about SEO Power Suite or SEO SpyGlass in particular, write a comment below or reach out at support@link-assistant.com. Also, feel free to join our private Facebook group for SEO Power Suite users. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks to optimize your website's performance. Until next time, take care and happy optimizing. Goodbye.